Good morning, all. Again, come to the class. We'll today discuss about chemical equations. So, the process of chemical change is called chemical reaction. One or more substances undergo chemical change together. The substances which undergo chemical change are called reactants, and the new substances which are formed in a chemical change are called products. The reactants are usually written in the left side and the products are written on the right side with an arrowhead in between. For example, magnesium burns in air to form magnesium oxide. It can be written as magnesium in the left side with an arrowhead, where we can write burns in air, and we can write magnesium oxide in the right side. It can also be written as magnesium plus oxygen with an arrowhead, magnesium oxide. We have the symbols for the elements and formulas for the compounds. Hence, instead of writing the names of the reactants and products, the symbols for the elements and the formulas for the compounds can be written. Taking the example of magnesium burning, we can write magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. Magnesium is written Mg plus oxygen O2, it gives rise to MgO. This Mg plus O2 giving rise to MgO is called an equation. So, chemical equation can be understood as it's a symbolic representation of a chemical change where the starting substances or the reactants are written in the left side and the final substances or the products are written in the right side with an arrowhead in between. For example, magnesium plus oxygen giving rise to magnesium oxide. The magnesium and oxygen are reactants and the magnesium oxide is a product. In between these there is an arrowhead. This is called a chemical equation. Next, come to the skeletal chemical equation. We can easily see that magnesium plus oxygen giving rise to magnesium oxide. We can see in the chemical equation that on the left side there is one atom of magnesium and two atoms of the oxygen, and in the right side we find that there is one atom of the magnesium and one atom of the oxygen. So in both the sides there is the numbers of the atoms of each element is not the same in the both sides. So skeletal equation represents the symbol or the formulas of the reactants and the products, but the number of the atoms of each element on the both sides of the equation are not the same. It does not give any quantitative idea, rather it gives only the idea about the name of the reactants and the name of the products. Have a good day.